How to find link in bio on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Here, simply, you will find the person's profile. Simply click on the person's profile, and then you'll find link of a follow in the bio in here. Suppose you see somebody's reel and they say link is in the bio. What you need to do is click on their profile and you will find link in their bio in this way. As you can see, Amazon.com, you can simply click on it and all the links will pop up. You can simply click on the link to visit the page. And this is how to find link in bio on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.